crunchy bite so sweet, such a tasty treat. Happy thoughts inside his head, bananas yellow bright, give you energy and might. Tony eats with cheer, feeling strong and light. Milk so white and cool, Strony drinks it every day. Growing is the rule, carrots crunchy in a row. Healthy foods help children grow. Orange bright and sweet, veggies are a treat. Toad salad in a bowl, colors shining like a gold. Apple, grapes, and pear, yummy for the soul. Tony drinks it as a treat, vitamins so bright, shining like a light. Healthy drinks to meet. Tony learns the healthy plate. Good foods make you strong and great. Fruits and veggies too, good for me and you. Healthy habits create, sharing fruits with friends today. Healthy snacks along the way, picnic in the sun. Food and lots of fun, happy smiles at play. Candy waits upon the tray, Tony picks fruits right away. Healthy snack he chose,